Master these 9 social skills and watch as women can't help but be drawn to you. Did you know that mastering just a few social skills can make you irresistible to women? In today's video, we're diving into the world of social skills and their immense impact on attraction. Whether you're looking to build confidence or create meaningful connections, these skills are essential for standing out and building lasting relationships. Many men today struggle with social interactions, particularly when it comes to engaging with women. These challenges often stem from a lack of confidence, poor communication skills, and an inability to connect on a deeper level. In our fast-paced, technology-driven world, genuine face-to-face interactions can sometimes feel daunting, leaving many feeling lost about how to present themselves effectively. Understanding the barriers. One of the primary issues is that social skills are not innate. They need to be developed over time. Unfortunately, societal pressures and stereotypes can discourage men from seeking help or learning new ways to improve their social capabilities. Many rely on outdated methods of interaction that may not resonate well with today's expectations of empathy and genuine communication. Overcoming awkwardness. Awkwardness is a common hurdle. Many men find themselves feeling anxious or unsure about how to approach women, leading to self-doubt and hesitation. This nervous energy can manifest as awkward silences, forced conversation, or misinterpreted intentions. The fear of rejection only compounds these issues, creating a cycle that is difficult to break. Misinterpretation of signals. Another significant challenge is misinterpreting social cues. Understanding nonverbal communication, such as body language and tone, is crucial for successful interactions. Yet, many men find it difficult to read these subtle signals, leading to misunderstandings or missed opportunities for connection. This can result in frustration and feelings of inadequacy, further hindering social progress. Communication gaps. Communication gaps often arise from a lack of active listening and empathy. Many men focus on what they plan to say next, rather than truly engaging in the conversation at hand. This can lead to a one-sided interaction where the other person feels unheard or undervalued. Developing the skill of listening attentively and responding thoughtfully is key to bridging these gaps and forming more meaningful connections. Cultural and societal influences. Cultural and societal influences also play a role in shaping how men approach social interactions. Traditional gender roles and expectations can lead to confusion about how to express emotions or show vulnerability. Men may feel pressured to conform to certain masculine ideals, which can restrict authentic expression and hinder their ability to connect on a personal level. The impact of technology. The rise of digital communication has changed the way we interact with each other. While technology offers convenience, it can also create a barrier to developing strong interpersonal skills. Reliance on texting and social media can lead to a decline in face-to-face interaction skills, making real-life conversations more challenging. The art of conversation requires practice and presence, something that is often lost in digital exchanges. The vicious cycle of negative experiences. Negative experiences in social settings can perpetuate a cycle of avoidance and insecurity. Repeated failures or rejections can lead to a loss of confidence, making it even harder to step out of one's comfort zone and engage with others. This cycle can result in isolation and reinforce the belief that social interactions are inherently difficult. Navigating social expectations. Navigating social expectations is another common struggle. Many men feel unsure about how to balance assertiveness with respect, leading to confusion about appropriate behavior. The fear of overstepping boundaries or coming across as insincere can cause hesitancy and reluctance to initiate interactions. Need for self-improvement. Recognizing these challenges is the first step toward improvement. The desire to enhance social skills often stems from a deeper longing for connection and understanding. Many men want to break free from the barriers holding them back, but are unsure where to begin. This video aims to address these challenges head-on by offering practical solutions and actionable advice. Through the guidance provided in this video, viewers will learn how to overcome these common social obstacles and develop the skills necessary to connect authentically with women. By understanding the root causes of these challenges, men can embark on a journey of self-improvement and discover the transformative power of effective social interactions. 3. Storytelling. Being able to tell a good story is a captivating social skill. Stories can make conversations memorable and help you connect on a deeper level. Focus on sharing personal experiences that reveal your personality and values. Keep your stories concise, with a clear beginning, middle, and end, and ensure they are relevant to the conversation. The goal is to engage your listener emotionally and leave a lasting impression. 4. Humor. A sense of humor is often cited as one of the most attractive traits. Humor can break the ice and create a relaxed atmosphere. However, it's important to use humor appropriately and avoid jokes that could be offensive or misunderstood. Pay attention to the other person's reactions and adjust your style of humor accordingly. Learning to laugh at yourself can also show humility and approachability, making you more likable. 5. Empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. When interacting with women, show empathy by validating their feelings and expressing understanding. This creates a sense of emotional connection and trust. Practice putting yourself in their shoes and respond with kindness and support, which can strengthen your relationships and make you stand out as someone who genuinely cares. 6. Confidence. Confidence is key when it comes to attraction. Women are naturally drawn to confident individuals because they exude self-assuredness and leadership. To boost your confidence, work on maintaining good posture, speaking clearly, and believing in your worth. Remember that confidence is not arrogance. It's about being comfortable in your own skin and projecting that assurance in your interactions. 7. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence involves recognizing and managing your emotions while understanding and influencing the emotions of others. High emotional intelligence can enhance your interactions by making you more adaptable and responsive. Practice being aware of your emotional triggers and developing strategies to manage stress and remain calm in various situations. This ability can help you navigate complex social dynamics and build stronger connections. 8. Assertiveness. Being assertive means expressing your thoughts and feelings honestly and respectfully. It's about finding the balance between being passive and aggressive. When you communicate assertively, you demonstrate confidence and respect for others' opinions. Practice using I statements to express your needs and boundaries clearly without coming across as demanding or hostile. 9. Adaptability. Finally, adaptability is the ability to adjust to different situations and personalities. This skill is essential for navigating social interactions smoothly. Practice being open-minded and flexible in your approach, especially when faced with unexpected challenges or changes in conversation dynamics. Adaptability allows you to connect with a diverse range of people and build rapport effortlessly. Mastering these social skills can transform your interactions, making you more appealing and memorable to women. By applying these skills thoughtfully, you'll not only improve your dating life, but also enrich your overall social experiences. Start integrating these skills into your daily interactions and observe the positive impact they have on your relationships and personal growth. Among all the social skills we've explored, one stands out as a game changer: emotional intelligence. Understanding and managing your emotions, while also being aware of the emotions of others, can significantly enhance your interactions and make you more attractive. This skill not only helps in romantic relationships, but also improves your social interactions in general. Why emotional intelligence is crucial. Emotional intelligence allows you to navigate social situations with finesse. By recognizing and controlling your emotions, you can respond to situations calmly and thoughtfully rather than reacting impulsively. This self-awareness leads to better decision-making and helps you maintain composure in challenging situations, which can be incredibly attractive traits. Reading the room. Being emotionally intelligent means you can read the room effectively. You become attuned to the emotional undercurrents of a conversation, picking up on subtle cues that others might miss. This awareness helps you adapt your communication style to suit the mood and energy of the people you're interacting with. For instance, if you sense someone is upset or uncomfortable, you can address their concerns with empathy and understanding. making you a more compassionate and appealing presence. Building trust and connection. Emotional intelligence fosters trust and connection because it involves genuine empathy and the ability to see things from another person's perspective. When you demonstrate that you understand and care about someone else's feelings, it creates a bond that goes beyond superficial interactions. This deep level of connection is often what people are truly seeking in relationships, whether romantic or platonic. Managing conflict. In addition to building connections, emotional intelligence equips you to handle conflicts gracefully. Instead of escalating a disagreement, you can de-escalate tensions by acknowledging the other person's feelings and finding common ground. This ability to manage conflicts without resorting to aggression or avoidance is highly valued in any relationship. Empathy in action. Empathy, a key component of emotional intelligence, is the ability to share and understand the feelings of others. Practicing empathy involves actively listening to others and validating their experiences. This not only strengthens your connections, but also makes you more relatable and approachable. Women, in particular, are often drawn to those who exhibit genuine empathy and kindness. Emotional resilience. Developing emotional intelligence also enhances your emotional resilience. When you understand your emotional triggers and have strategies to cope with stress, you become more resilient in the face of challenges. This resilience makes you more dependable and trustworthy, as others can rely on you to remain calm and supportive even in difficult situations. Practical steps to enhance emotional intelligence. Improving your emotional intelligence involves practicing self-reflection and mindfulness. Regularly take time to reflect on your emotions and how they influence your actions. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation, can help you become more present and aware of your emotional state, allowing you to respond more thoughtfully in social situations. The impact of emotional intelligence. By honing your emotional intelligence, you not only enhance your interactions with women, but also improve your relationships with everyone around you. This skill transforms the way you connect with people, making you more charismatic and emotionally aware. The ability to understand and manage emotions effectively is a powerful tool in attracting others and building meaningful connections. As you work on developing emotional intelligence, you'll notice a shift in how others perceive you. Your interactions will become more authentic, and people will be drawn to your calm, composed, and empathetic demeanor. Embrace this skill as a core component of your social toolkit and watch as it transforms your relationships and enriches your social life. In summary, mastering these social skills can elevate your interactions and make you more appealing to women. From active listening to confident body language, each skill plays a vital role in enhancing your charisma and building connections. I'd love to hear your experiences with social skills in the comments below. Which skill do you find most effective? If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and check out our next video on improving confidence to further enhance your social prowess.